All right, welcome back for the second tutorial video this week in which we learn how to find the area of a circle if all we're given is the diameter. So we're going back to our basic formula. Area is pi times the radius, or pi r squared. That's what squared means. You take the number times it by itself. Our problem here is we weren't given radius, we were given diameter. So what are we going to have to do? Well, we're going to have to find the radius first. Okay, and your worksheet actually guides you through this. It actually has places where you can write in the diameter and divide by 2. Okay, so remember that radius first. All right, so whenever you're calculating the area of a circle, they ask you for the area. Double check, what information were you given? Did they tell you what the radius was? Did they tell you what the diameter was? At more advanced stages, they may even give you something like circumference, and then you would use circumference to find radius and radius to find area. But we're not doing that today, okay? Deep breath. We're just using diameter today. So first thing we got to do is find the radius. Well, diameter is the whole distance across the circle. Radius is half of that. So in order to get half of a number, we divide by 2, right? So the radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. Yes, I am writing that formula, even though it's very simple. I'm still writing it down. So the radius of this circle is 12 divided by 2, which means the radius is 6 centimeters. All right. So now that we have the radius, easy peasy. We're just going to plug this into our formula, right? It's not any harder than the stuff we did last week or the week we did before that. We have a formula. We're using it. All right. So our area is pi. What was pi again? Oh, yeah, 3.14. Don't forget it. 3.14 times our radius, which is 6, squared. What did square mean again? Oh, yeah, we times it by itself, right? So this is going to be 6 times 6, and we do exponents first. It's not going to affect your answer in this case, but there's times when it will, so we'll follow Bednes, okay? So 6 times 6 is 36. We're going to have to multiply by pi. Okay, I'm going to do a quick estimate in my head. This is about 40. That's approximately 3 times 40 should be close to 120, this area, right? So let's do the exact calculation, see how it works out, see if our estimate was close. Notice I'm putting the 3.14 on top almost all the time. That's because it's easier to put the number with more place values on top. It just means there's less stuff to add at the end, okay? So 6 times 4 is 24. Almost wrote the wrong number there. Whew. Carry the 2. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 2 is 8. 6 times 3 is 18. Whee! Again, 3 is one place value over. It's 10 times as big as the one before. So we're going to move our answer over one place by adding that lovely 0 there. 3 times 4 is 12. Carry the 1. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. Whee! 4, carry the 1, 13, carry the 1, that gives us 11, 2 decimal places. Yeah, my estimate of 120 was actually pretty close. It's not bad. Okay, so our answer here, our precise answer is 113 4/100 of a square centimeter. All right, so you are going to be doing this on your own. As you know, the only way to learn math is to do it. We need to practice. As always, if you run into trouble this week, please don't hesitate to contact me via email, Google Hangouts, or even a phone call to the school. Have a good week, folks. Bye.